and gentlemen, welcome back to GW Computer Tutorials. For those who were here at the last lesson of HTML and cascading style sheet, I started the very important and interesting lesson called HTML form. And we started with how you can create a text field. As you see on your screen, this is an example that displays the around 4 text field. As you see, when I run it, let me show its output. You see, this is the output of this code, and I said you that this was the simple way for beginners how you can create a text field by using just text field. Now I'm going to show you how you can use developed way, professional way of creating a text field by using label to create text with name and ID. Right? We are going to create text field with label, name and ID. So to make it clear, let me put here like line, header line that spread the previous lesson with today's one, right? So to do that, shall need to use also now label, right? We are going to use label as I said to you. Then here also have to close it. Here you can write, for example, you can enter your phone number, for example. You see? So when I save it and refresh our page, you see now enter your phone number is displayed in label, right? So now we are going to create that text field. Input type equal, let us call it text. Now let us give it name called like, let us call it name, and then we can now refresh our page. Now we created the text field called name to enter phone number, right? Let me show you the output. You see here now we can enter like 07895. You can see, you can enter different numbers. Now what I'm going to show you now, we now created the text field with name here. Now we are going to give it ID, right? So to give it ID, we have to link it with our label. That's the role of label here. We have to write here label for example, it's for name or telephone, tel. You see? Now here we have also to put here ID, which is equal to tel, like this, so as to link this text with this label, right? So the role of this ID is to link the text field with corresponding label message, right? So for example, when we enter the phone number, we can't enter the name in the field of the phone number. So this ID is very important when we create the form. So let me save it and refresh our page. You see, this is just our output, but the role of this ID is this. When I click here, you see our text field will be selected, right? But when I delete this ID, for example, when I delete this ID, you see, let me refresh it and you see it's not working. You see, it's not working. So this is the role of our ID, right? Yeah, now as I showed you, you can create more than one text field. Yeah, you see, this is how you can create it. And also when you click on inter-country, you see this will be selected as ID of that country, right? So these are what we supposed to run in this lesson. And if you are new here, please time to make subscribe to like this video and to share it to your colleagues so that they can get full access to our lessons. So thank you for watching this video. Let me see you in next video.